back to the channel, guys. My name's Graham, and this is the Knead feed. Today I want to show you how to make Dukkah. That was weird. Anyway, Dukkah is an ancient Egyptian spice blend that's still widely used today in Egypt and North African cuisine. It's one of my favorite spice blends. It's got a bright and earthy flavor and a great texture. It goes really well on top of a piece of chicken or soup, salad, pretty much anything you can think of. So a while back, I fell down a bit of a rabbit hole. I wanted to learn more about the history of our food and where things came from, specifically spices. I ended up writing an ebook all about the history of spices, the spice trade, and how it connected communities and cultures throughout time. There's a link in the description below if you're interested in downloading it. Today, I'm going to show you how to toast the spices. It's going to fill your house with an amazing aroma. So there's many different variations of Dukkah, depending on the region or the spices that are available. But some of the core ingredients are coriander seed, fennel seed, cumin seed, and some form of nut. You could buy toasted hazelnuts and cashews, but I recommend getting the unsalted ones. Or you can toast them in your oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. I always purchase my spices whole. Ground spices lose their flavor really quickly. If you grind your own spices as you need them, you extend the shelf life for much longer. Now, let's start by toasting the spices. In a sauté pan over medium heat, add your fennel, cumin, coriander, and sesame seeds. Roasting spices changes the flavor, in the same way that a slice of toast tastes different than a slice of bread. Spices are roasted to create greater depth of flavor and robustness. Give the pan a little shake to mix up your spices. After about 3 or 4 minutes, the spices will begin to toast. Be sure to shake the pan constantly so they don't burn on the bottom. As you can see, my spices are starting to smoke, releasing the aromatic oil and flavor. Here's what your spices should look like, slightly toasted with a deeper color. Once your spices are toasted, pour them onto a sheet tray to cool. If you leave them in the pan, they're going to continue to cook. I'm using a coffee grinder here that's dedicated just for spices. Fully grind the spices in the grinder, but you can also use a mortar and pestle. I'm adding my spices to the food processor with a little bit of salt. Now, I'm adding the dry roasted hazelnuts and cashews. Here, I'm lightly pulsing the hazelnuts, cashews, and spices together. I tend to like my Dukkah a little bit more coarse, as it gives it a great texture. Now, I'm adding the whole roasted sunflower seeds to the Dukkah. Mix in the sunflower seeds so they're evenly dispersed. And that's pretty much it, guys. Here, I'm garnishing a green gazpacho. Check out the latest video where we make green gazpacho. The Dukkah spice blend is so versatile. It's great on roasted vegetables, salads, fish, chicken. We really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. Be sure to subscribe for all the latest recipes, tricks, and tips.